how YouTube algorithm actually works. People think algorithm read title and description to show viewers our video and get reach and more views. But it's okay to 2025, but now 2026, actually YouTube change our algorithm. Not normal algorithm, is now is called the A algorithm. So A algorithm has more steps, more step of processing that video. Example, view visuals like video and view title and description, also old algorithm. And the main thing is read our audio, what that speak that video what say our audience, and this video also read our thumbnail. It's more ways help more processing structure to show videos of our audience and choose some audience like is algorithm choose 1,000 people to show your video, but 100 people only that interested your topic, but others is non interested is push your video that if we normal other audience also click your video so again to more views, get more views. So how to use new AI algorithm, how it's actually work, I detailedly explain you. I promise you, if you finish that video, you common idea and you understanding full AI algorithm work of YouTube. So keep listening carefully. How to AI algorithm actually works. People, I show these shots how AI algorithm actually works. See that multiple concept in one AI algorithm, not normal YouTube, normal algorithm. So it's completely different. So I explain one by one. Okay, I scroll down. That is a new two-stage of network architecture. Candidate generate network. It's a filter of your many videos in 1 second. Our AI, older AI has one by one video can filter, but now it's filter millions of videos in 1 second. So and another one is ranking network. Ranking network, it's who is your audience, who was watching fully your video, who was interested, is called a ranking network. It's two ways helping you to more reaches. It works a algorithm first structure. It's mad a more of time to take in that. And next is go as a filter of more videos, millions of videos, and to get more information and other things. So it's easy to prepare him, and it's important of first your stage, your first your level of YouTube video. And next, people's thinking about its new AI algorithm completely different than normal algorithm. So I'm starting a YouTube channel. I upload this my second video, but AI always my videos impression get more. I use the two things. I understand these two things: stage of network architecture and core signals and data inputs. After network architecturing system and two process complete, next step core signals and data inputs is watch time. How many viewers watch your video and they click through rate, CTR, average video duration, replay and re-engagement. Is example or video again one user repeatedly see and likes, comments, subscription. And second thing is engagement metrics. How many likes, subscribe and comments your videos. It's always calculating by AI to uses that data push your video others. It's a help of get more reaches and the other. And long-term viewers trust. Viewers again watch your channel videos in every day or monthly 4 or 5 times. And the content signals. Content signal is old method but newly is useful. Title and description, read your AI and the caption, transcription, automatic caption also read. Our audio also read. Our video what category, visual and the audio quality and clarity is important. And the video freshness, video topic or content, how fresh other videos. A new thing you will add your video content. And next it's lost process. Deep learning model usage is models, AI models memory your video and your video topic is set what the audience show your video. If our old channel already is how are your videos audience, so is short term memory, because improve our shorts views and our normal audience views, more impression reaches is help. And multi-cade which expert
மணி 10-17
mixture expert is a different importance of weight your videos, length your videos and others. It's always of YouTube AI algorithm. It's you always work about AI algorithm. I detailed explained to you. So I do you understand basic infos of new AI algorithm, and thank you for watching my video. And you see useful videos and YouTube tricks and tips, and you want to grow your channel. Like and subscribe my channel for more videos like this, and comment I am a YouTuber, so I contact you. What's your YouTube channel and the other things I get informations and the tricks and tips you for free, no cost. It's my training purpose only, so do that. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.